On today's Apple Today. God damn it. On today's Apple Today. On today's Apple Today. This episode is just short. And disregard what I said a while ago this morning. But I'll make a video about it tomorrow. We are doing it! Answers why my profile pic is like this is in my latest Q&A video. Hello and what's up? Welcome back to yet another Apple Today episode that gives you and speculates all the latest Apple news you care about quicker. But with two stories. Let's start. Alright, so first up for the day. According to Commentry's latest report, Apple is expected to use the Wi-Fi 6E tech in the iPhone 14 lineup, which operates on the 6 GHz bandwidth and no backward compatibility. This should also give access to the superhighway and having access to 59 non-overlapping channels, allowing high-density environment to have more capacity with less interference. The Wi-Fi 6E chips is also required to have some component which is also known as the low temperature co-fire ceramic, or LTCC, which should have at least 2 to 4 of them in that chip, and that LTCC tech supply will happen to struggle too next year thanks to the chip shortages. Apple will also get luxury for planning ahead of time. Oh hey, got any questions about me or something? Just comment down below #AskYuri, and that is why there is this segment, because of the Apple tech news drought. Back to the show. Oh hey, welcome back. So last up for the day.
Oh yes! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Yeah!
So yes, Apple heard us and finally announced the self-repair program. In their latest announcement, this self-repair program will give customers genuine parts, tools, and manuals which is recommended to read, starting with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 lineups. The first phase of the program will mainly focus on the iPhone's most commonly serviced parts, including display, battery, and camera. Other types of repairs will come later next year. Then, the second phase will include repairs for the entire M1 Mac lineup the same year, which is 2022. You can also return your broken or old parts to Apple for recycling to pay up your debt from Apple. The program should be available by next year and expand throughout the same year. For some more good news, a futuristic Apple Watch with flat edges! You can read that in the link below since I'm lazy to report, and the Series 8 design will be like... You can also read more about that in the link below. From Leaks Apple Pro finally publishes that article. Okay, I'm done. That's all the news. See, I say can't end this video.